This is Jim Emter, Van Allen Company, Alexandria, for your grain and livestock comments here for May 31st, 2016. Corn market down 5 to 8 today. Bean market down 1 to 8. Wheat market down 17 Chicago, 7 in Minneapolis, and 12 in Kansas City. The live cattle market was up 162.5, feeder cattle up 50, and the hog market mixed anywhere from up 30 to down 30. When you look to kind of really the driving forces today, I'd say weather conditions looking to be a bit of a negative around. Also strong dollar index also adding to some of the weakness, but just a lot of question marks as to what we've got going right now with near ideal weather conditions. There's a lot of talk and inconsistencies about summer weather trends, but right now what we do have is looking pretty good, and we'll kind of watch this afternoon's planting conditions for indication as we work ahead here. Market expecting corn to be around 92 to 96% complete planted, and looking for about a 21% jump in soybean plantings as well. Also, our first crop conditions this afternoon, the market's going to be watching that closely. As for direction, we really have not broke out to higher or lower at this point. We haven't done any damage to the corn bull scenario that we've kind of been building here, but if we get a close below $4, we're going to have to pay attention. Meal did close below that pivotal $400 mark today, so going to be important to watch how that happens. Some of these bull spreads are fading here a little bit, so maybe a little cleanse, breakdown here, and then maybe sideways action, and then see what summer weather really directs us as. If we're hot and dry, we rebuild steam and try to take out the highs. If we get some good weather trends here late June, July, take on a lower or more of a bear approach there, but maybe a little breather here, and then correction sideways. As we look to the cattle markets here, a lot of anticipation that production going to fall off here a little bit, some cattle moving forward to meet inventory demand, and that potentially could create some holes over the next 30 days, and that's why we're seeing some support here on the front end. Now we'll have to see if it happens. On the hog side of the spectrum here, exports were the big feature last week, and we'll have to see if we can muster those up again here this week. It may give us a shot to challenge that $83 mark. We still question, though, whether we've got enough to break into new high territory. This has been Jim Emter, Van Allen Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.